ma'am.
Barefooted and all.
I've got another water for you, and we'll also give you some bleach, okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The good Lord won't give us no more than what we can bear, believe me.
Watch that sun.
Y'all need a new